In this video, we take a look at the list output of transaction SE16N. This is demonstrated by the General Material Master Data. To display the General Material Master Data, start the transaction SE16N and enter the corresponding table. The fields of the list output can already be shown or hidden in the selection screen by ticking the Output column. The list output is displayed in table form. The key fields are displayed with a blue background. The Number of Hits field shows how many entries are displayed in the list output. If this number of hits is equal to the maximum number of hits, make sure to increase the maximum number of hits if the entry you are looking for is not found. Increase the maximum number of hits to 5,000 to display all entries in the system, as the number of hits is over 3,000 in our case. However, this can vary from system to system or from table to table. We will now show how the layout can be prepared for better readability in order to get to the information you are looking for as quickly as possible. First of all, it is possible to hide or show all empty columns directly using this button. You can also select one or more columns at the same time using the Control key and hide them by right-clicking. Columns can be moved horizontally within the table using the drag and drop function. For example, material type, sector, rail group, and material short text are important, so these are moved to the left. The filter function can be used to set filters retrospectively if the filters set in the selection mask were not appropriate and you want to search for a specific value. To do so, select the column in which the filter is to be set, then click on the filter symbol. The filters can also be deleted again. Save the customized layout if it is needed more frequently. The column structure of the list, sorting criteria, and filter conditions can be saved in layouts. To do this, click on Select Layout and then on Save Layout. Now enter a name for the layout and a description to describe it in more detail. You can decide whether the layout is only available to the user or whether it can also be selected by others. At this point, we recommend to choose user-specific layouts. If every user makes their layouts freely available, the section can become confusing. To save the layout as user-specific, remove the slash and check the user-specific box. Click on the Select Layout button again to select a layout. Here you will find a list of layouts that are available. However, these can only be selected if the table for the general material data has been called up. If, for example, the storage location data for material table is required, the layouts displayed here are not available. Click on the layout to select it. Saved layouts can also be deleted again via Manage Layout if they are no longer needed. The list output also provides other useful functions. Some of the most useful ones are about to be explained next. The search function can be used to search for individual values in each column. To do this, first select the relevant column and click on the magnifying glass symbol. The list can be printed or exported to Excel by this button, and further by selection the Print or Export option. The Select All button can be used to select all rows simultaneously. The Refresh button can be used to undo all changes made to the list output at once.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.